Hello, so in this video we're going to be looking at the free product settings. When the free products is selected, there's an option here for expiry, and never expire is always going to be the default setting. Now if that's unchecked, you can actually expire the free product so that basically a member can join and they can get access to your content for a specific amount of time, and then they'll lose the access. That will be useful if you want to try and push people towards a paid membership and they only get access for a limited time before they have to upgrade. Below that is the actual product registration options. If we take a look at the sales page for this, which is actually the sign up page. So let's have a look at the sign up page when we're on a private window. So you can see here we've got the registration form, and there's a few actions that can happen when this form's filled out. So if we look at the actions here, we can auto log in after registration. If that's checked, the user will be logged in. We can auto sign up new users when they join your WordPress site. So that would basically skip the sign up form. And if you've got an alternate sign up method where you've got users registering on your website with a different plugin, then they can get access to your membership content. They'll be automatically added to this product without having to do the registration form. And then we'd send email to verify. If they fill out the registration form, they'll actually be sent a confirmation email, and they'll have to click a link before they actually get added to your WordPress site. And the email that gets sent out is in the email notifications here. There's a confirmation email message. And you'll see here we add the text with these tags, so we can add the confirm link and the site URL. And you can generally customize this using HTML as well. This email will be sent when they fill out the form. And within the form itself, if we actually go and edit the page, you see the form's been added using a block. And the block has some options for the form, so we can actually hide the fields as we need. So we can hide the username, hide the last name, and hide the password. And now it becomes like a basic opt-in form where they actually confirm their email address. And then they'll get emailed a password and login information once they've confirmed. Now down here you'll see a link for a confirmation URL. This is because the Quick Start Wizard defaults the free product to be a verification email that goes out, so that you don't get spam users signing up on your website. And then when they fill out this form, they're going to be taken to this confirmation page. And then the confirmation email is also sent to them, and once they click the link, they're going to be taken to the thank you page in your product. So here we've got the thank you page, and they'll be taken to that once they've clicked the confirmation email. So let's test this flow anyway so you can fully understand it. So what I'm going to do is update these settings for the form, and then we're going to go back to where we've got the private window. And if we come back here to where we have the private window with the registration form, I'm just going to refresh the page. So now we've got a simplified registration form. So we're just going to fill this out and we're going to test the flow. So we'll just add in the first name and the email address, and we'll just submit that. And you can see we've been taken to the confirmation page. So there's a short message on here. You can customize this page as needed. And basically we need to now check our inbox. So basically the confirmation email is here, and there's a link here that we need to click to actually confirm the email address. So I'm just going to open this in the private window. And you'll see the registration is successful. So you get a success message. And then we're taken to the next step in the funnel, which is the subscription sales page. So obviously you would customize this as needed, and you'll see that the member's actually been logged in. So when the member is logged in, they're going to see the payment form without any need to fill out any more details.